I bought this cute little soap thing on Amazon. So you put soap here, and then it has some little hooks to hang some. So you could do a loofah or something hanging there. Then also I'm going to hang up this hook. So have some places to put some stuff. And also I'm going to put it on this edge. So can also, if I need more privacy and this plant here hasn't grown in, we could also hang a towel across here. We do have neighbors and the driveway goes that way. So it came with screws and then this little cover thing. So you put the screw into that, you screw it in. Then after you've hooked it on, then you can hook on these cute, nice little caps, and then you don't see the screws. It's kind of nice. I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm not going to use a level. It has a nice little lip, so the soap's not going to go anywhere. So that's hooked on. Now I'm going to hook on these little black covers. They just screw right on. And I don't have those cute little things for this, but it is a black screw, so that will blend in. Pretty straight. Yeah. Nice little place to have a shower.
If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.